Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab soup Indian style. First, gather your fresh crab and essential spices for an authentic flavor. This easy method ensures a delicious and comforting soup, perfect for any occasion. We'll walk through each step, from preparing the ingredients to simmering the broth, so you can create a truly satisfying meal. Get ready to enjoy a rich, aromatic crab soup that's both simple to make and incredibly tasty. To begin, you'll need about 2 to 4 cleaned crabs, roughly 500 grams. For the aromatic base, chop 1 medium onion, 1 tomato, and 1 inch of fresh ginger. Don't forget the garlic. About 8 to 10 cloves will add depth. Key spices include 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and a half teaspoon of red chili powder for a gentle kick. Fresh coriander leaves will be used for garnish. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pot, then add your chopped onions, ginger, and garlic. Sauté these until they become fragrant and lightly golden, which takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add the chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they soften, usually around 3 minutes. Now, stir in the turmeric powder, garam masala, and red chili powder, ensuring all the spices are well combined and fragrant before moving to the next step. Once your aromatic base is ready, add the cleaned crabs to the pot along with 4 to 5 cups of water. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crabs are perfectly cooked. Season with salt and freshly cracked pepper to your liking, then garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves. This soup is best served hot. For those looking to simplify their kitchen routine, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.